In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect x.com, also known as Twitter, to Discord in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful setup if you want to keep your social accounts linked, share your profile more easily, or simply make your Discord presence more connected and professional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your PC. Once the app is open, look all the way to the bottom left corner of the screen, right next to your username. You'll see the small gear icon, which is your user settings button. Click that gear to open your Discord settings menu. Now that you're inside user settings, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll through if needed until you find the option called Connections. This is where Discord lets you link external accounts like YouTube, Twitch, Spotify, and of course, click on Connections to continue. Inside the Connections section, you'll see a header that says Connect Your Accounts. This area shows all the different platforms you can link to Discord. Look for the X icon, which is the black and white X logo, and click it. As soon as you click the X icon, Discord will open a new browser window or tab. This is completely normal. If you are not already signed into your X account, go ahead and log in now using your X credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see a permissions screen asking you to allow Discord to connect to your account. Take a moment to review the permissions carefully. This is always a good habit anytime you connect an account to a third-party app. When you're ready, click the blue Authorize App button. After that, the browser should confirm that your X account has been connected to Discord. Once you see the success message, you can close the browser window and return to Discord. Back in the Discord app, your X account should now appear in your connections list. From here, you may also be able to adjust your profile visibility settings, depending on what you want other people to see. This is helpful if you want to control how your connected accounts appear on your Discord profile, and that's it. Your X account is now linked to Discord. This process only takes a minute once you know where to look, and it can be really useful for managing your online presence across platforms. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.